Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your screen at the bottom, you can see there's a small plus sign. Tap on it and type in QR code. Now on your screen, you can see there's a blank page. It might take a few seconds, so your internet is very stable. Now you can see there are a few options like design, elements, text, etc. Tap on elements and there on the elements, search QR code. Once you do that, you can see there are different options. Tap on QR code, use app. Now you can see they are asking for a URL. I'm gonna use the URL to our YouTube page. Tap on it, copy it, then go back into the URL and select generate code. Now you can see Canva has successfully generated QR code for my YouTube channel. And guys, that's it. That's how you create QR code using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.